Today in this video I am going to show you that how you can use Facebook to grow your business. Facebook has lots of potential to boost your business. On Facebook you can start interest based targeted advertising. Means your ads will be shown only to those people whom you want. This way you can showcase your products, services to your potential customers and you can earn a good revenue. But in present scenario, everybody knows how to use Facebook for sharing photos and videos, but they don't know how to utilize it positively for growing themselves. But trust me, it is super easy to create an ad for your business using Facebook. You only need to know your potential customers who can buy your products or services and little amount to start showing your ads online. And you can even start your ads with minimum 100 rupees. Using Facebook Ads Manager, you can put your ads on Facebook newsfeed, Facebook video feed, Instagram newsfeed, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram explore page, etc. There are uncountable benefits of using online ads. With advertisement, your business becomes a brand. But if you want to start advertising, you can do it even if you don't have any technical background. I will be uploading full Facebook ads creation playlist to help you and your business. So stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.